Hello, friends. Let's discuss the previous year questions of June 2023. The first question is, explain the functions of management with suitable examples. The answer is then explained through the main functions planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling, highlighting that planning involves setting goals, organizing arranges resources, staffing focuses on recruitment, directing deals with leadership and motivation, and controlling ensures performance matches targets. These functions are interconnected and can be expanded with examples in a written answer. The next question is, discuss the concept of planning and its importance. Where planning is described as a future-oriented process that helps in setting objectives, supports decision-making, reduces uncertainty, improves efficiency, and forms the base for all other functions. Moving to the third question. What is organizing? Explain its process. Is addressed by defining organizing as arranging resources systematically and explaining its steps such as identifying activities, grouping tasks, assigning responsibilities, establishing authority, and ensuring coordination, which can be elaborated further in answers. The fourth question is, describe leadership styles and their impact on organizations, where the key styles, autocratic, democratic, and laissez-faire, are explained, along with their effects on employee motivation, productivity, and work environment. The fifth question is, explain the concept of control in management, and explains control as a process involving setting standards, measuring performance, comparing results, and taking corrective actions to achieve organizational goals efficiently. Now coming to the writing short notes, which are very important for exams. The first one is motivation theories, where motivation is introduced as an internal drive, and key theories like Maslow, Herzberg, and McGregor are briefly explained to show their relevance in improving performance. The next is decision-making process, and explains the steps such as identifying problems, collecting information, evaluating alternatives, selecting the best option, implementing it, and reviewing outcomes. The next topic is communication barriers. It discusses obstacles like physical noise, language issues, psychological factors, lack of clarity, and poor listening that affect communication effectiveness. The span of control explains it as the number of subordinates under a manager, distinguishing between wide and narrow spans and their impact on supervision. Finally, the topic, organizational culture, explains it as shared values and beliefs that influence employee behavior, shape the work environment, improve performance, and build organizational identity, all of which can be expanded into detailed answers in exams.